Hello there and welcome to this exercise, which is all about structure and themes. So here we've got an example laid out on different types of themes, whether they're conflict, whether they're love and loyalty, whether they're fortune, fate, good and evil, and disguise or self-knowledge, justice, love or marriage. So I'll give you an idea of what themes are and what kind of themes we're looking for in GCSE English. You're also going to be studying the plot and the structure within writing English language and English literature. So have a good read of the information here, and we'll review this in our next class, whereby we'll go over these question and answers in much more detail. Thank you so much. And also remember, always be prepared to say what you think of the play that you studied. Your view is always very important, and it should be expressed at the end of your essay, especially when you're writing an essay. You can also see live performances of plays, whether on YouTube or face-to-face, and they'll give you an idea of different structures and themes and what plays actually are involved with and what kind of plots they take, whether it could be Shakespeare or it could be just a normal, straightforward play. Thank you and good luck with these.